Welcome to day 12. I hope you have been completing your study from last 12 days. So once again, congratulations. And as you know, yesterday we have discussed about the flat line. So you have to keep an eye. So you just about to hit your fourth flat line, that is 15th day of our sequence rule. So you have to take care. So now again, your just confidence getting boost up, and then suddenly drop drastically. So keep in mind. So today we are going to be discuss about the concept accountability. So why accountability is important? So accountability is like a person or any kind of support or some forum by which you can share your day to day or any kind of urge or like what's happening through this challenge. So you can share or you can take a guide or you can mutually share your experience and seek the help or now for the things is to reduce the urge and you have to get distracted from your urges and the distraction in your challenge. So what is the biggest accountability partner for you? So the best accountability partner for you is yourself. So you is the person who lead the life and no, like no one can give you the best advice. So other will be depend on their perspective and their experience, but whatever your bill and whatever you want and like why you have taken this challenge, so it depends only on you. So how it support you to be your self accountability partner. So you have to keep journaling, so as we have discussed in previous video as well, so you have to keep a track. So like what's happening in day to day or like how you have day spent it. So you just keep a track, so like how you just feeling about the challenge, how much you are just getting, what type of triggers you are getting, so you can align that all the things and try to eliminate in better way. So it will give a overall idea where you are lacking, and it will also help you to cross your flat line, and you have to like keep an eye on your flat line, so where you are leading to break your flat line. So for that you can download some app as well as we have discussed, or you join some forum or something. So the best way apart from this is you just make a close group of few peoples and you lead that group. So when you are leading that group, then you will have a responsibility. So no, by billing you not able to or you are not want to relapse your challenge, and it's like trust. So there is a trust between you and your group, and if you want to relapse, then no, you are not going to relapse because the person who have involving in that group depend on you. You are just cheating on them, then no, it will not work. So it's the best way I have done this. So you just make a group and no, lead them and try to give any kind of advice or like whatever your experience. So this is the best way. You just make a close group about with your friends or like whoever want to quit this. So now how you can choose your accountability partner? So it can be any friend or any close friend of you, and like the friend who has already get rid of it, like he have taken the challenge and right now it's not a serious problem for him, or someone who is following nofab for a long time or like 60 days, 70 days, or like 100 1,000 days as well. So it can be also there is some senior or some elder to you who can like listen to you, or you can share freely you any kind of problem or regarding this challenge. So you just keep in mind and choose a accountability partner. If you haven't done it, then make any like the simple just ask you any friend. So like, you can be do mutually as well as like he's also following the challenge, you are also following the challenge, and mutually you can be accountability to each other. Another thing is to be accountable. You just join some forum. You can join NoFab as well, some support group. And if it like still you are not feeling like seeking some help, then you just consult some therapist. So you just consult some therapist, psychologist or psychologist, anyone, and get a piece of advice. I have done this personally, so it is not that much useful. You have to ultimately that depends on you. If you like giving the medication or therapy, but you are not no accepting from the mentally, then it is not going to work. Another is don't make yourself alone. Yes, so stay occupied, like make everyday to-do list and just keep involved in the things and be busy. So you're not getting any space to getting the urge, or like you try to eliminate or try to replace or try to surpass your trigger as well. So make a new friends for that, to be social. So try to explore the things, like you are working on some startup or some business or some any kind of preparation, then just join with them. Join, no, there is a frequently happening youth camp or this kind of boot camp or camp as well. So you can just volunteer there, you can just participate there, you can get new friends, you can get new idea. So that will lead you to explore your life and like now leading the new perspective of the life as well. So how to get some another addiction means like if you are in addiction, then you have to replace your addiction with another addiction. So it is said like that, if you want to get rid of some addiction, then get into some another addiction, right? So like this one is the drug and the porn is like the extreme addiction. So like you have the addiction of junk food, then it can be quit by just doing the exercise and something. It can be surpass or it can be compensate. So you just get another addiction, but not cigarette or alcohol, you have keep in mind. So just no, you just go to gym or be a natural freak, do some adventurous thing. So that kind of thing you can do, explore yourself as we discussed yesterday slide. So you just participate in boot camp and some camps as well, volunteer there. Now, there are so many good things happening like Energy Swaraj Yatra and something. So you participate how the things working, how the people are trying to change our world, how the things going forward. And the last thing is just keep some inspirational quotes or pictures around you, so that like you are just following some Bruce Lee or some another good personality or inspire a lot. So be around that, try to with no, you just keep on board of them, like no, the reality you can't going to meet them, or like some are already dead. So you just assume them and no, like be like that and try to get their perspective, their idea.
So thank you so much. Get your accountability partner and keep in mind 15 days is coming.